Hi, I'm Kiana. I am a sales advocate at Whitten Brothers Mazda. I got started in this industry a year and a half ago. I was at a different dealership and I seen an ad on here and I decided to apply to it. My time outside of work, I like to read books, I like to bake, and I also like to spend time with my family. Fun fact about myself is I like to draw. I was drawing ever since I was like around 5, so I love drawing. It was my favorite course in school, and I took every single level. My favorite part about this job is the delivery process. I love at the end, I get to see a big smile on my customer's face, or they're just excited to take pictures or send pictures to their family. That just brings a smile to my face. Customers should choose to buy from Whitten Brothers is because we have fun here. You can have fun buying a car. I know the process can be really long, but you can have fun. It should always be fun. My name is Kiana, and come and see us at Whitten Brothers Mazda.